I found a sock in the dishwasher, a Lego in my shoe. There's peanut butter on the ceiling, and the dog is turning blue. I'm dodging glitter bombs in the hallway. Someone taped the cat to a broom. And the toddler's wearing oven mitts, yelling, "Welcome to my room!" Oh, I'm the mom, the chaos queen, the finder of the gross and unseen, master chef of mac and mush, wiping tears with a paper brush. Some days I laugh, some days I cry, some days I just eat the pie. But in this wild and beautiful clan, I love them more than I ever planned. Someone flipped through church like a gymnast, doing cartwheels down the aisle, while another kid's painting the toilet like it's trending bathroom style. The goat lost a horn, the bunnies all had twins, and I just stepped on something cold. Oh great, it's gelatin with pins. Yes, I'm the mom, the bedtime bard, answering questions way too hard, like do stars cry at 11 p.m. when I just wanna say, ask dad again. They melt down gummies just to see if they'll reform into a tree. And despite it all, I'll take a stand. I love them more than I ever planned. I've said things like, stop licking the floor. No, we don't microwave apples with cords. Is that a frog in your backpack? Did you butter the hamster? And please, for the love, stop feeding the fish your Pop-Tarts. But then they climb in close at night, whisper, "Mommy, you make things right." They hug their siblings tight and true, and say, "We love you just for you." They see the world with giant hearts. They turn our fridge into their art. And somehow through this sticky ride, I beam with messy, teary pride. 'Cause I'm the mom, their biggest fan, builder of dreams with no set plan. I've got a purse full of action toys, and a van that smells like feet and noise. They're wild, they're loud, they test my grace, but love lives in their peanut buttered face. And I wouldn't trade one hug, one strand. I love them more than I ever planned. Yes, even with socks in the dishwasher, this love is perfectly unplanned.